I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the right tools: Unity Hub, a stable Unity LTS build, and an editor with C# support. Once installed, create a new 3D project and set your target platform so builds behave predictably. Next, add a game object and attach a new C# script. Open it in your editor. You'll immediately see start and update methods. These are your entry points. Make small edits, save, then return to Unity to let the editor compile and verify the script attaches correctly. Now you implement core systems. Begin by organizing scripts into logical folders like controllers and services. This keeps references manageable. Use mono behavior lifecycle methods properly. Initialize data in awake or start. Handle frame logic in update and physics in fixed update. For asynchronous flows, use coroutines rather than blocking calls. Implement input handling through a dedicated component. Add simple state management for player behavior, and instantiate prefabs for repeated objects, so you maintain consistency and performance as complexity grows. Finish by polishing and preparing your build pipeline. Profile performance with the Unity Profiler and address hotspots. Reduce garbage collection, batch draw calls, and tune physics iterations. Once done, create builds for your target platforms and test on real devices to catch platform-specific bugs. Make sure to set up automated scenes or build scripts to speed iterations. If things go wrong, add targeted debug logs, isolate the subsystem, and run small reproduce tests so you fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.